What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It has been a while since I recorded a video, so I thought I would do that. Fresh off of anesthesia, actually. Had an early morning procedure, outpatient type of thing. All is well, and I'm back in the flow. With that out of the way, let me say, I am not a moon boy. And for a description of what that means, a moon boy in cryptocurrency speak, and I guess in traditional stocks as well, is someone who always has on rose-colored glasses. The market can do nothing. It's always going to go up. There's never going to be a pullback. And you all know from watching the content on this channel, I am always coaching you in a way. There's a lot of mud that way. I'm not going to go there. I'm always coaching you in a way that would have you remain rational, expect that there will be pullbacks, only invest what you can afford to lose, and on and on and on. So I am not a moon boy. I'm not someone who thinks that the market is always going to go up. With that as a foundation, let's talk about what's happening now. I emerged from my anesthesia-induced sleep to about a $44,000 Bitcoin. Pretty amazing when you think about the fact that in March of 2020, Bitcoin was at about $3,900, somewhere around there. That's huge. And all you had to do was buy and hold. But today is quite a monumental day. We are learning that the likes of Tesla is now buying Bitcoin. In fact, Tesla's putting $1.5 billion of its reserve into Bitcoin. This follows on the heels of MicroStrategy and Mass Mutual and numerous other organizations who have taken their reserves and parked it in Bitcoin, with the understanding of what is happening to the US dollar, with the understanding that we're about to see the continuation of some enormous currency creation, with the understanding that we have a democratically controlled House, Senate, and presidency. More currency creation for good cause in an effort to heal the nation. But this does mean that for your dollars sitting in traditional markets, those savings, the buying power for those things are getting crushed, as you heard me say in numerous videos in the past. So, you want to be learning about what's happening in the global economy. You want to understand what smart money is now doing, and you want to be exposed to these markets. Yes, crypto is booming, but the traditional equity markets are also doing quite well. Bottom line is, you don't want your sole exposure to be in checking and savings accounts. It's just extraordinarily dangerous for your buying power moving forward. So it is certainly my hope that you have been studying. I have seen an encouraging increase in the amount of views on this channel, and I trust that that means there's an increase in the amount of views on other channels that aim to educate people in the ways of investing and personal finance, because it is incredibly important. It is far beyond time that the average man availed him or herself to the opportunities built to allow them to abound, maybe even survive. With all that's going on in the global economy, one of the statistics that I have come across is one that talks about how the poverty line is moving up and consuming those that once were considered middle class. So that is to say, if your annual household income in 2019 earned you the classification of middle class as far as earning is concerned, but you were in the lower part of that categorization, the survey suggests that here in 2021, if you're earning within 10% of that number, you've slipped into poverty. And that's hugely concerning. That ought to be a catalyst for everyone to begin robustly focusing on how to achieve a better position as it relates to their financial stature in the world. And I'm not saying that because you want to be able to go out and buy the latest and greatest cars, watches, electronics, etc. I'm saying that because you want to be able to survive. Survive the antics of government-controlled currencies. And who knows, if you take that effort to survive, you may actually look up and find that you've put yourself in a position to thrive. So I'll end it there. Hope you are doing well, staying safe. It looks like, as far as the global health situation is concerned, it looks like the numbers are turning in a positive direction. So could it be that by the summer of 2021, the world may find itself, quote unquote, back to normal? Take care, stay safe, and you'll see me in the next video.